Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. Today I would like to discuss with you sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay, so we have the formula for the sum. So last class we were discussed about what nth term of an arithmetic progression. Also we were discussed about the some examples regarding the what nth term of an arithmetic progression. So you know it very well. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by the what n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have sum. So sum of first n terms of an AP we need to find here. Okay, for that we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of it is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what we have the sum formula to calculate the sum of an AP. Okay, so we will use this formula. Okay, is suppose in the suppose they are given the what AP and they told you to find the what sum of this, you can use this formula. If suppose you have the what first term and you have the last term, to calculate the what sum, so you can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of it is 2a it is a plus l, a plus l, where a n is equal to L, where n is equal to L. That means L is indicating here what last term of that AP. Just you can substitute here, and we have the first term, we have last term. Now can substitute, you will get your sum. This is what Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of a plus L. When you have first term and you have last term. Okay, so you don't have the last term means you can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So one more formula we have, and that is the sum of first n positive integers is given by the sum of first n positive integers, and that formula we have Sn is equal to, it is we can say n into bracket of n plus 1 by 2. This is what the sum of first n positive integers. Okay, the sum of first n positive integers, that is n into bracket of n plus 1 by 2, we can give by this formula. These are the what three important formulas we have here. Will be use this and this very importantly. Okay, so let me move for the what examples. So we have example number, let me take one example here, I'll solve. Example number 12 I'll take here, which is given in your textbook. Okay, so now see, so examples. So if the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Okay, what they are given, just you can see the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is, first 14 terms of an AP is 1050. Okay, and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Okay, what they are given, sum they are given, sum of first 14 terms is how much they are given, S of 14 is equal to 1050 they are given. Okay, number of terms how much we have here, 14. Okay, number of terms we have 14, and they are given, and its first term is first term D, first term A is equal to, we have, they are given 10. Okay, they are given here 10, isn't it? Well, find 20th term. What we need to find? 20th term. A 20 is how much? We need to find 20th term. So sum given, n given, a given. Can we have here d? We need to find d also. So d is equal to how much? We need to find here. Just you can see, dear students. See, so we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now well, Sn they are given 1050. Now n we have 14 by 2 into bracket of, so now 2 into a, so we will get here 2 into it is 10 plus n we have 14 minus of 1, d we need to find, so keep as it is. Well, next 1050 is equal to, okay, now we will get, this is 2 ones are 2 7s are into bracket of 2 into 10, this is, we will get here 20 plus 14 minus 1 will get here 13 into D. Okay. Now next, so next step, just you can see here 7 into bracket of 20 plus 13 into D we have here. Okay. Now, so next what you need to do means I'll write here. So this implies, first of all you can multiply this one. This is 1050 as it is. Now 7 into 2 will get here 140. Okay, plus next 7 into 13. So 13 into 7, 7 3s are 21. So 7 1s are 7 and 2. It will get 9. 91 will get. This is 91 into D will get. Okay. Now once you got 91 D, next what do you need to do? So this time you can take this into this side, 1050. So minus 140 is equal to 91 D. Okay. Now next step, 1050 and that you can minus it what? How much? 140. So how much you will get? 910 you will get. Okay. So 910 is equal to 91 D. So we need value of D. We don't have the D, so we need to calculate D. So D is equal to how much then? D is equal to, we can say it is 10. Okay. Now D is equal to 10. So now D is equal to, we'll get here 10. Once you got D is equal to 10. Now we need to find A20. Find its 20th term, they told. Okay, how to find? This is very simple. A20. So A20 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now this equal to A, how much we have? Already we have, it is 10 plus n. So 20 minus of 1 and D we got here 10. Okay. Now this is 10 as it is. Now this is plus 19 into 10. Okay. So 20 minus 1 will get here 19 into 10. So this is 10 plus 190. So we will get 10 into 19 into 10 will get 190. Now this will get 200. This is what? A20. A20 is equal to how much we got here? 200. Okay. So see, this is very simple concept. They are given sum. Okay, that you can substitute here. We have n is equal to, they are given 14 terms. A they are given. We need to find D. First of all, you can find it the what? D. After that we need A20. So once you got D, once you have the what? A, then it is very easy to find the what? A20. So A20 is equal to 200. Okay. So I hope you understood very well. Okay. Now let me move the one more example. So how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18? Okay. How many terms of the AP? So what they are given, just I'll write now. How many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18, so on must be taken so that their sum is 78. How many terms of AP? So AP they are given 24, 21. 24, 21. Next we have 18. We have 18. So on must be taken. Their sum is 78. Sum is how much? 78. Okay. So here what they are given, just you can check it here. Terms we need to find. Terms in the sense of what? We need to find n is equal to how much? Can we have A? So obviously we have A is equal to how much? 24. Okay. Difference. Common difference 21, 24. How much will get? Minus 3 we will get here. Okay. Now we need to find n. I'll write here. N is equal to, we need to find, well, so last, okay. So 78 they are given. Sum they are given. Okay. So S n is equal to how much we have? 78. And what we need to find? N we need to find. Well, so now we have formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now next, Sn they are given 78 is equal to n we need to find. Keep as it is, n by 2. N by 2 is as it is into bracket of 2 into a. So how much we'll get here? This is we'll get 48 plus n minus 1 we don't have. So n minus 1 keep as it is. D how much we have? Minus 3. Okay. Now next. So 78 as it is. Now this n by 2 is also as it is into bracket of 48 is also as it is plus. So we'll get here minus n into minus 3 is minus 3n and this is we'll get plus 3. Okay. Now once you got this, I'll go with the next step. So next step we have 78 you can keep as it is again. 78 keep as it is. Well, now here 48 plus 3 how much will we get? We'll get 51. Okay. Now minus 3n. So still we have this side n by 2 into bracket of 51 minus 3n. Okay. Now next. So this implies we have 78. Next. See here n by 2 is there. So to eliminate this n by 2 what I will do means this n into 78 2 into 78 how much will we get? 78 into 2 at 16 we will get and this is 2 7s are 14 1 15 156 we will get, isn't it? We will get 156. This is division is there, this side means it is multiplication. Okay. Now we will get here n into bracket of 51 minus of 3n. Okay. Now again 156. Now we can multiply. This is we will get 51 into n minus of this is 3n square. Okay. n into 51 is 51n, n into minus 3n square minus 3n square we will get here. Next. Okay. Now next we have this implies. Okay. Well, see we can arrange the terms according to the what quadratic equation in the sense of what ascending or descending order. So I'll arrange in the what descending orders. 3n square I'll take here 3n square. Now we have this is minus 51n and this will get we are taken this into this side. So this is 156 is equal to 0. Now next just you can see 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0 we have here. Now we will take 3 is a common, 3 common, so remaining n square minus of this is 17n and how much you will get? I think it is plus 52. Yes, definitely we will get plus 52. N square minus 3 into 17 will get 51. 3 into 52 will get 156. Okay. 3 5s are 3 2s are. Okay, it is correct. Now we will get this. Now next step. So again we will get n square minus of 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. Now this is what quadratic equation here. So you know it very well, factorization method. Okay, splitting method. So split it. So we will get here n square and minus 17 we have. How we can separate this one? Can we separate 14? Okay, well, how we can separate this one? So we can separate 13 minus 13n 13 and 4. Okay, 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. Next. So now we will get this one as n you can take common, n minus of 13 will get here 1 bracket. Now minus 4 keep as it is and it is n minus of again we will get 13. Okay. 13 is equal to 0. Well, see 4 into 13 will get again 52. Okay. So minus into minus will get plus. So now one bracket n minus of 13, one more bracket is n minus of 4. So n is equal to we can say it is 13 or 4. Okay. So number of terms we can say here n is equal to 13 or 4, any one. Okay. Number of terms. How to find the number of terms? What this is the method to find the what number of terms. Definitely will get one quadratic equation, just you can split it. So once you split means you will get two factors. So you can just transfer that factors, you will get n values. Okay. Sometimes you will get one value, sometimes you will get these two values. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. very well. Okay, now I'll move with the next question. Well, I'll move with the exercise 1.3. Okay, so exercise 1.3. Find the sum of the following APs. Okay, 2, 7, 12, so on 10 terms. First one, 2, 7, 10, so on. How many terms? 2, 7, 12, 10 terms. How many terms? 10 terms. 2, 7, 12, 10 terms. Sum of this. So there are, how many are there means here? We have total 4 questions. I'll solve there 2. Okay, first one. So now A is equal to, we have 2. Next D we need to find. 7 minus 2 will get 5. Well, 10 terms. N is equal to how much? 10. Okay, now well, we can apply the formula now. S10 is equal to, it is 10 by 2 into bracket of 2 into 2 plus. Okay, now this is 10 minus of 1. Next D we have 5. Well, next just you can see S10 is equal to, we'll get this one as 5 and this is 4 plus. Okay, 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5. Okay, so once you got this, S10 is equal to, now 5 you keep as it is into bracket of, okay, 9 into 5, 45. So this will get 45. Next I'll write here S10 is equal to, okay, now this is 5 as it is into bracket of 4 plus 5, 49. Now how much will get? 49 into 5. If suppose 200 and I think it is, let us will check, 249 into 5, 5 9s are 40, 9 5s are 45. Okay, so it's 4 and we'll get, this is 5 into 4, 20, 5 into 4 will get 20 and this is 4, 24. Okay, 200 and will get 45. So this is what, yes, 10 is equal to 245. Okay, well, so this is what, to find the sum of 10 terms. This is first question. Okay, let me move for next one. So I think I'll solve question number 4. Okay, which is a fractions here. I'll solve this only. Now see question number 4, what they are given. So 1 by 15, comma, we have 1 by 12, comma, next 1 by 10, comma, so on, 2 11 terms, 2 11 terms, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, comma, so on, 2 11 terms. Okay, now, so A is equal to, we have here 1 by 15, A is equal to 1 by 15 we have. Now D is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Okay, we can take the LCM. So how to find LCM? This is 12 and this is 15. So 2 6 are 2. Is it any possibility? No, we can take 3s are. So 3 4s are 3 5s are 4 into 5 20, 20 into 3 is how much? We will get 60. So we will get LCM is 60. So 12 5s are will get 60, 15 4s are will get 60. Okay, now we will get, this is 5 minus of 4. So common difference is how much we will get? 1 by 60. 1 by 60 is the what? Common difference. Once you got common difference is 1 by 60, A you have 1 by 15. Okay, so N 11 terms, N is equal to 11. Well, now applying the formula, S11 is equal to, it is 11 by 2 into bracket of 2 into A, it is 1 by 15 plus n minus 1. So n we have L1 minus of 1 and the common difference we have 1 by 60. Well, so next just you can see S of L1 is equal to L1 by 2 into bracket of, okay. Now we'll get this is 2 by 15 plus this is 10 into we'll get 1 by 60, okay, 10 into 1 by 60. So next step, so better I'll solve one more step here. S L1 1 by L1 by 2 into bracket of this is 2 by 15, keep as it is, plus this I think 10 ones are 10 6 are, so you'll get 1 by 6 here, okay. So 10 ones are 10 6 are, you will get 1 by 6. Next S L1 is equal to, we'll keep this L1 by 2 as it is into bracket of, okay. Now we can take 6 and 15 LCM. So 15 and 6 we need. So I think in the 3 table 3, okay, 5s are 3 2s are. So we'll get here 2 5s are, we'll get 5 2s are 10, 10 30, we'll get 30 LCM, okay. So we'll get here 30 is the LCM. So how much it is? 2s are, and this is how much are? 6 5s are. So 2 into 2 it is 4 plus 1 into 5 it is 5. Well, so we'll get 4 plus 5 it is. Next S of L1 is equal to L1 by 2 into bracket of 4 plus this is 9 by 30. Now next S of L1 is equal to L1 into 2. Now 9 ones are it is 3 3s are, we'll get 3 10s are, okay. Now we'll get this 3 by it is, we'll get 10, okay. Now S L1 is equal to L1 into 3 33 by this is 20, okay. Is there any possibilities? No possibilities. 33 by 20 we will get this one. 3 3s are 3 10s are, 3 into L1 is 33, you will get 2 into 10 is, you will get 20, okay. 33 by 20, okay. Once you can check the answers. So this is what we can say the sum of first L1 terms here, okay. This is the first main question, okay. Now I'll go with the second main question. Find the sums in the given below, okay. So very simple it is. 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 they are given. First question. So just you can see what they are given. 7 plus 10 integer. First question. 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on plus 84, okay. This is the first question here. First term A we have 7, common difference we need to find. So to find common difference, 10 integer 1 by 2 minus will get 7. So 10 to 2 20 plus 1 21 by 2 minus 7. So 2 7s are how much will get? 14. So now 21 minus 14. So we'll get again it is 7, 21 minus 14, 7 by 2 will get. Common difference is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, well, the last term n is equal to, we have 84. Okay, which formula we need to use here? Well, so what they are told, find the sums in the given below. Can we have number of terms here? No, we don't have. Okay, so which formula we need to use? Whether we need to use Sn formula or we need to use Sn is two formulas we have. If we have the first term, we have the last term. Can we have n? So what we need to find? Find the sums given below. Sum we use this formula. An is equal to, we have a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d. Once you use this formula, what will be happens? Just you can see an they are given 84. So a we have it is 7 plus n we don't have. So n minus 1 and d we have 7 by 2. Okay. Now so we'll get this is 80, okay, 84 is equal to 7, keep as it is. Now this is 7 by 2 into n minus 7 by 2, okay. Now 84 is equal to, well, now we'll get here, now this is 7 minus 7 by 2, 2 7s are 14, 14 minus 7, again you will get this is 7 by 2 itself, okay. 2 7s are 14, 14 minus 7 you will get 7 by 2 itself plus 7n by 2, okay. Now, well, so do one thing, we can take this into this side. So 2, this 2 is denominator, both are what here same, we can take this side. So how much it is? 2 4s are, we will get here 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 168 we will get, definitely 168 will get it is. Now this is 7 plus of, whether it is, yes, 7 plus of 7 n we will get. Now we can minus this one, 168, how much you will get? 161, and this is 7n. So n is equal to, will get 161 by 7, 7, this will get 2s are 14, remaining is how much? 221, 23, okay. So we'll get n is equal to, I'll write here, so n is equal to, will get 23. So once you got n is equal to 23, we need to go for finding the sum, okay. Now we need to go for finding the sum. So this is very easy, we will get here now. So let me rub this one, I don't have the place, n is equal to 23. Now I'll find sum. Now next we need to use this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, this formula. Now S of 23, and we got 23 by 2 into bracket of 2 into a, we will get directly, I'll write 14 plus 20, n minus 1, 23 minus 1 will get 22. So into 22 into will get d, how much we have? It is 7 by 2, okay. Now, so next S 23 is equal to 23 by 2 into bracket of 14, keep as it is, plus this is 2 1s are 2, 11s are, will get 77. 11 into 7 is again will get 77. Next, S of 23 is equal to, okay. So 23 by 2 into bracket of, so next we have 14 plus 77. So how much we will get? So we'll get 84, 84, and I think we'll get 91. So this is 91 we will get. Now S of 23, okay. Now S of 23, now we need to multiply 91 into 23, 3 1s are 3, will get 3 9s are 9, 3s are 27, 1, 2 1s are 2, 2, 18 will get, okay. Now this is 3, 7, 2, 9, and this is 8 and 2 will get 10, and this is will get 2, 2093. So 2093 by 2, okay. So this is what the sum we have here. I think they are given this answer in your textbook in the mixed fraction, okay. So in the mixed fraction I think they are given. So this is 2093 by 2. So mixed fraction in the sense of how 2392 divided by 2, okay, sorry, 2092, 2 1s are 2, 10s are. So next this 92 we have, I think it is 2 4s are 8 will come, then 2 6s are, okay, 1046. Yes, 23 is equal to 1046, 1046 1 by 2, like this they will given in your textbook, okay. 2 into this plus 1, okay, you will get 2093 divided by 2. Just you can convert into the what? Mixed fraction, okay. Once you converted means you will get like this, okay. Well, so here 3 are there, so 2 you can solve, 1 I solve. Next I will move with the what? Next question in the next class. Well.